How to chop a sample by me. Okay, so I think I'll just use one of the things from J Cactus's trap loop kit. Just use damage. Dragged it back. Okay. So I think if I just slice here, chop that, and that. Oh shoot, it didn't chop. Chop here, chop here, chop here, and chop here. Now cut out all the dead space. Just add a bunch of audio tracks. Zoom it out a bit. Okay, that goes there. I know it does. 1, 2, like that. Oh shoot, did I cut out too much of that? Okay, yeah, now we add all the audio tracks. That goes there, that goes there, that goes there. Delete all the dead space. Repeat. Like that, and now we have the sample all chopped up. But this is the main, so this is the full melody. Okay, so we'll start off with just the bass and the filler melody. Okay, so that's basically that. Well, actually, we'll move this in on the first 4. We'll repeat it. That comes in here. And that goes out there. And then this climbs. And, kind of just arrange it. So yeah, now let's just add this melody, this drum loop that I just found earlier, here and here. Right, move it like that. We're gonna reverse this, add echo, and then turn the delay off. Turn the echo up a bit. Turn the sound down. Also, this is supposed to be at 1 160 BPM and B minor. Plus 1 semitone. Get. Wait, I don't need a tempo. Just plus 10. Plus 1 semitone, plus 1 semitone. Just keep doing that. You know what? I have no idea what this is. So we're just gonna put it on C major. And don't adjust. Wait. So A sharp minor. Don't adjust. But then we move it to C major. We do adjust. So now it should work. But I want to pitch it down a bit, so let's go like and all we have to do, what the heck happened? I'm gonna undo that. Copy, move it here, delete this, move it in. There we go. Actually, I want it back on here because that's a bit weird. I'm gonna do some rearranging and I'll just tell you when I'm back. Alright, so I'm done rearranging. Since I used some J-Cactus loops, I might as well just put his tag. We did put his bar tag. Let's listen to it.
J-Cactus. J Cactus. J Cactus.
Like and sub. Goodbye.